Hi guys, it's Miss Belusic. I just wanted to kind of tell you why Canvas looks a little different this week. Whenever you go into your tile and click on reading, you'll notice that the homepage looks the same. And it'll stay looking the same. Here's what's different. When you click on Monday, it'll take you to a page. Now, usually it would take you to the page and it'd tell you what you're doing for today, what the skill is, and all of that. To eliminate so much clicking throughout the week, I've put the whole week together. So every day that you click on this week, you'll see this same page. Okay. And on this side, you'll see things that are graded for the week in each subject. And on this side, you'll see things that are assigned, but they're just practice on Canvas for the skill. Now, you'll also notice that I've added social studies on here. Guys, that's to eliminate one more place to go in Canvas. So I've moved social studies to your reading and writing page to hopefully, one, keep things together and organized, and two, make it a little bit more simple on y'all's end. So I'll ask for feedback at the end of the week or throughout the week to see how y'all like this and how it's going. Here's my suggestion. I would not jump just to your graded things. I would watch the mini lesson and do the practice along with coming to your small group scheduled time throughout the week, and then do your graded. And here's why. Because your graded is going to look similar to your try, and it's also going to look similar to what we work on in small group. Okay, so just keep that in mind whenever you're looking at your modules. Now you'll see here in big, and I made it big on purpose so that we can see it. You are going to, it says click here to see this week's modules. So let me show you. Not only does this page, whenever you click on each day, look the same for the whole week, but now your module is set up in the whole week rather than your module being day by day. Okay, so here it is, the week of September 21st through September 25th. So you're watching this video right now. It says, please watch first. And I did that on purpose so that you could see why Canvas looks a little bit different. We really did take your feedback from our parent night and tried to simplify it on the reading and writing side of it anyway. Okay, so with that said, under reading, you have all of your reading activities for the week. Okay, so here's the reading lesson that you'll watch, and then here's that now you try. Remember, this is not the grade, but I would try this and come to small group and then try the ticket out. Now, this ticket out will definitely be a minor grade. Okay, and this ticket out looks very similar to the try and what I model in the reading lesson as well. For word study, it's very similar to what we've been working on. There's going to be 4 different videos because there's 4 different days of word study and they build up on each other. So just think of that whenever you're doing word study. It's not going to be on each day now that it's under the whole week. It's all right there in one spot. Guys, don't worry about any of the Spanish. We do have an English and Spanish class, so that's what that's there for. We share our online plan, so that's why it pushes over to us. Okay, then you have everything you need for writing. It's laid out the same way. You'll watch the writing lesson, and then this week I'm doing our writing check-in 2, and this will be a grade, and I just want to show you super quick. If you click on it, it tells you what you should have in your writing so far. If you have more than what I have listed here, that is perfectly fine. Upload whatever you have so I can see how your writing's going. Now, this check-in is a minor grade because at this point in our writing, we should have some things going along based on our small groups and the lessons that you've watched. So I've uploaded the rubric below, and these are some things that this is how I'm grading it, but these are the things that should be on there by the end of this week. And if you're looking at it today and we haven't met for small group yet, just keep in mind that some of these things we'll talk about in small group. That's why I would suggest waiting to do this until after you meet in your small groups. Okay. And then your grammar and conventions lessons are right here, set up the same way. So, same way as word study, I'm sorry. And they are going to be day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. Watch those in you can watch them all in one day. You can watch one today, one tomorrow, and so on, or your choice, okay? And then I've added social studies, which I talked about earlier. But here you're going to watch the lesson, and then you have an activity to go with it too. And this is going to be a project. It's going to be a project for you. You're going to create your own nonprofit organization, and we talk about it a little bit in your lesson. So I would definitely watch that first. And then again, I've uploaded the rubric so that you see how we're grading you on that. Okay, so I really hope that this is helpful. I want you to know that we did take your feedback, and I'm hoping that everything one module first off is helpful and that everything is in one spot. I hope that putting social studies along on the same page is helpful to eliminate that one more click. I do want to clarify though that social studies is going to stay asynchronous. So please know that it's just that I eliminated one more page for you to have to go to. Okay, so if you have any questions at all or want to give me feedback on how this looks and how it's going this week, please feel free to do that. I'm open to suggestions and options. So, y'all have a wonderful week. Go ahead and get started under reading, and I will see you at your scheduled small group. Bye, guys. Have a good day.